Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the amazing apps that has just been released online. Okay, this app here you get monetized immediately. I mean, this app is more than YouTube, it's more than TikTok, more than Facebook. Okay, that all those apps you need to meet a certain threshold for you to be monetized, but with this one you get monetized immediately. The moment you start getting views is where you get monetized immediately, and you start earning coins, and that can be changed into dollars and you can withdraw. Okay, this is the platform itself. You see, you can even upload the video from other platforms and can still get views. As long as it gets views, just views, you get paid immediately. It is monetized immediately. This is the app itself. You can see it's just like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, but with this one you get monetized immediately. Time you start getting views is when you start getting monetized immediately, and automatically you start earning your dollars. Okay, can be withdrawn. Okay, you can see where this from TikTok here. eh? Yeah, for this one is for content creators. As long as you're a content creator and you have a content, you can upload the content here. As long as your content gets views, you get paid, you get monetized. It's like YouTube, just the way you get monetized in YouTube, but this one you get monetized immediately. There is nothing that you need to meet, nothing. As long as your video gets views, you get monetized. You only need to upload any video. As long as the video gets views, you start earning immediately. Let me show you my profile where you can see my balance already within just few days. This is wallet here. I registered this app 1 day ago. I only uploaded like 4 videos. Those people who go live on TikTok, this one is amazing. Just imagine you can get up to 1 million coins just going live. Replying to other people's video, you can still get 10 tokens per reply. Leave a review, 100 tokens. Invite friends, you get 25 tokens per friend. Okay, just immediately the friend installs the app via your link and register to it, you get 25 coins per friend. So to withdraw, you click on the withdraw, then it will take us to the withdraw dashboard. Guys, you can see my coins are 73 coins. If converted into dollars, you see how much I have. It is just 0.73, and the minimum withdrawal here is 2,000 coins only. Just imagine getting more views just because you get on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook. The way you get those views, you will get this. You can even meet this threshold within a day. If 73 coins is equals to $0.73, so which means 2,000 coins is $20. Immediately you meet 2,000 coins, you will withdraw $20. Any wallet that you will update is where you can withdraw these coins here, these dollars. Okay, guys, that is it. Just simple and easy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that whenever I post another video, you'll be the first person to get the video. Okay, turn on the notification bell. Okay, like the video, guys, and share to the more people. Registration process simple. Just click on the link. I'll drop a link in the description of this video. You click on it, then it will direct you to where you can download the app, install the app. Then after installing the app, you register with your details. Just first name, second name, username, then email, and you are done like that. As simple. Okay, no verification required, nothing else.